Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol sa inilabas na pahayag dito ng isang market veteran. Ayan, market veteran tungkol po kay XRP kung saan ay pwede daw po itong umakyat sa presyong $1.10. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Yan, sabi po rito ay prominent market analyst Ali Martinez recently called attention to a pattern he believes could take XRP to the $1.10 zone, identifying a potential buy opportunity for some investors. Kaya yan po ulit si Ginoong Ali Martinez. Siya po ay isang market analyst. Siya po ang nakapagsabi na meron po siyang isang nakita na pattern kung saan ay naniniwala po siya na sa pamamagitan ng pattern na ito ay nakikita po niya na si XRP ay aakyatin ang presyong $1.10. Kaya yan, sa pamamagitan po nito ay ito po ay sinasabi niya na potential buying opportunity po ang kalagayan ngayon ni XRP. Martinez made this disclosure in two separate reports on X. In one of these reports, the market veteran highlighted a pattern that has persistently governed XRP's price movement since June 2022 when XRP changed hands between 0.29 and 0.42. According to Martinez, this pattern is an ascending parallel channel and it has continued to dictate XRP's price direction for over 18 months. An ascending parallel channel typically features two parallel trend lines sloping upward. The pattern indicates a gradual but consistent uptrend. Notably, in this pattern, the upper trend line acts as a resistance line, hedging against any break above the channel. In addition, the lower trend line represents a support level, defending against any breach below the channel. Kaya ito po yung nakita ni Ginoong Ali Martinez sa kanyang chart na binubuo po ng mga channel. Yan, ito po yung upper na channel line, yung channel at middle line at saka lower line. Yan yung mga channel, pinupo ng channel. Kaya yung pinakamataas po na ito ay ito po yung nagsisilbing trend resistance po yan. Trend support naman yung nasa ilalim at yung nasa gitna ay pivot po yan. Pivot line. XRP has traded within this channel since June 2022, have failed to break upward or downward. While the token might appear to be in a cagey situation to some proponents, the upward direction of the channel is a bullish indicator that XRP's price has continued to move up, albeit gradually. Kaya yan, yung pataas daw po na direction ng channel na ito ay nagpapakita lamang na tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-angat sa presyo ni XRP. XRP could clinch to $1.1. Interestingly, in November 2023, XRP aimed to breach the middle boundary of the channel when it spiked to a high of 0.7481 on November 13. Recall that this spike was triggered by reports of a fake BlackRock iShares XRP ETF. When the community discovered the product was fake, XRP eventually collapsed. Yan, natatandaan po ba ninyo ito? Yung nilabas na fake news tungkol sa BlackRock iShares XRP ETF. Sumabog po yung market price ni XRP kasi marami pong akala po nila ay totoo yung news na ito na nag-file ng application na XRP ETF itong si BlackRock. Yun pala ay napag-alaman. Yan, at kinonform kay BlackRock at sabi ni BlackRock na hindi totoo yung kumalat na balita na ito. Kaya nung nangyari yan ay bumagsak rin yung market price. Nag-collapse yung market price ng XRP. This collapse has gradually persisted into the new year when viewed from a wider perspective. As a result, XRP has dropped to the channel's lower trend line. Notably, further drops at this point could breach the lower trend line, leading to panic and sustained selling pressure. However, Martinez holds some bullish sentiments. The analyst confirmed that XRP could recover from this slump to hit the middle or lower boundary of the channel if the current pattern continues. Kaya ayan, ayon po kay Ginong Ali Martinez ay kung pag bumagsak daw po ang market price ni XRP at tumama po siya rito sa pinakamababang or yung support line ng channel, ay makaka-recover po siya at aakyat pong muli papunta rito sa middle line. Pero yung iba ay natatakot sila na baka mabasag yung support line at magkakaroon ng matinding pagbagsak po yan. Kaya yung iba ay nagpa-panic sell po sila. Ayan. Pero iba naman po yung pananaw ni Ginoong Ali Martinez. Magkakaroon daw po siya ng correction dyan or rejection or recovery. If XRP stages a recovery and hits the middle boundary of the channel, it would reclaim the 0.8 price level. XRP has not seen this price since it dropped from the 0.93 high in July 2023. Moreover, should XRP rise further to the upper trend line, it would soar to the 31-month high of 1.10. Kaya yan. Kung sakaling magkakaroon siya ng recovery or ayan, makaka-recover po siya sa support line, tatalbog ito at makakabalik po siya sa middle line or middle boundary, ay magiging presyo po nito ay babalik po siya sa presyong 80 cents. Ayan, pero pag aakyat pa ito at magpapatuloy po siya hanggang sa upper trend line o yung resistance line, ay dito po niya magagawang akyatin ang presyong $1.10. Potential buy opportunity. Meanwhile, the recent drop to the lower boundary of the channel, partly triggered by the broader market collapse, has dealt a blow to investor sentiment. According to Ali Martinez, data from Sentiment confirms that XRP's market sentiment has collapsed to negative 0.884. This figure, representing a major bearish outlook, was last recorded last May when XRP traded between 0.41 and 0.52. Amid the bearish atmosphere, Martinez addressed contrarian investors. These are individuals who take positions that are opposite the prevailing market sentiment. The analyst identified the current position as a potential opportunity for these investors to leverage. As of press time, XRP trades at 0.5707, down by 1.25% today and 7.29% this month. 24-hour trade volume has also depleted by 19.7% to $1.3 billion. Kaya yan po yung kalagayan ni XRP sa ngayon. At ayon po ay Ginoong Ali Martinez, ay opportunity raw po ito. Ayan, para sa mga investors na makapag-leverage. Kaya yan. Yan po yung mga dahilan ni Ginoong Ali Martinez kung bakit si XRP ay magagawa niyang akyatin ang $1.1. Ayan, kasi nandito na po siya. Ayan, tatalbog daw po siya rito at makakabalik po siya rito sa middle boundary na ito. At kung pag nabasag, magagawa niya itong basagin at aakyat po siya hanggang dito sa upper trend line. Na nasa yan, kung pag nangyari yan ay yan, abot na po niya yung presyo na $1.1. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bagong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.